welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a simple but beautiful sunset beach drawing using my creativity. When I use my creativity, I feel good and happy. You should also do some creativity so you feel happy and you will be proud of yourself. So let's start. To make this drawing, we need an art sheet, some watercolors, a black marker, some brushes, pencil eraser. Here I am using blue, yellow and red to make the sky. Do as I have done. It's done now. I will make a sea using dark blue, light blue and white at the bottom. Now trace the sun using pencil and fill it with yellow color. I am using orange color to give orange shade. Now make waves using dark blue. Now I will use white to make some reflection of the sun. Now I will make land and fill it with black. Now I will make some trees using pencil. Using black marker will be easier to make the leaves than brush, so I am using black marker. You can add many other things using your creativity, like birds in the sky, animals, some dolphins, boats on the sea. So this was my own imagination. Now it's time for you to show your own imagination. If you want to see more art and craft videos of my imagination, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. So bye bye.